Hello everyone. Today my topic is the electronic configuration. Before starting the electronic configuration, we need to understand few more terms. According to the modern concept, modern atomic theory of model, that means it is based on the wave nature of moving electron. According to the modern concept of atomic model, there an atom has two parts. Number first part is positively charged part, clear, and electron revolves around the circular orbits. Along with the electrons, there are few more important terms are also present in the circular region around the nucleus, that is called orbitals, subshells, clear, and this is the path where the electron revolves. This path is called orbits, clear. Listen, the center part is the nucleus where all positively charged particles are present, and around the positively charged electron orbitals and subshells are present. It is a three-dimensional space. First of all, I would like to define the orbitals. What is called orbitals? Orbitals is a three-dimensional space around the nucleus where the possibilities of finding the electron is maximum. There are basically four types of orbitals: s orbitals, p orbital, d orbital, and f orbital. Clear? S, P, D, F orbital, and each orbital has a tendency to accommodate only two electron. Clear? Two electron with the opposite direction means one electron revolves clockwise while another electron revolves anti-clockwise, means clockwise and anti-clockwise. Listen, we generally show the electron like this. This orientation is totally wrong because orbitals only has tendency to accommodate two electron anti-clockwise or clockwise. Clear? There are four types of orbital: s, p, d, and f. Clear? That means this is called orbitals, and the reason where no electron is available, that reason is called nodal plane, means where the possibilities of finding the electron is maximum, that is called orbital, and the place where no electron is available, that is called nodal plane. Now subshell are represented by the letter S, P, D, F, which contains the maximum number of electron. S subshell contains maximum number of electron 2, clear, and P contains maximum number of electrons 6, D contains 10, or F contains 14, clear. Subshell is a part in which the orbital can be accommodated, means S subshells contains only one orbitals. Clear? This is the representation of orbitals, and each orbital contains two electron in opposite direction, and like this, first in upward and direction is second one is downward. Here the upward and downward is only the indication. Upward and downward means the electron either first electron revolves anti-clockwise while another electron revolves clockwise. Similarly, p orbital, when we talk about the p subshell contains 6 electron and p subshell contains 3 orbitals. Clear? And the name of the orbital is px, py, and pz. Clear? And the shape of p orbital is dumbbell shape, clear, while s orbital whose shape is spherical. It is also called non-directional orbital, clear. And these p orbital means px, py and pz is also called directional orbital. Why? Because it has a specific direction, clear. Means px orbital is present on x-axis, while py on y-axis and pz on z-axis. Similarly, when we talk about the d orbital, it has accommodate to contain 10 electron. That means the number of orbital is just half of the electron, means the number of orbital is 5, clear. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square, y square and dz square, clear. And the shape is double dumbbell, clear. When we talk about f orbital contains 14 electron. That means the 14 electron, that means the number of orbital is just half, means 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, clear. And the name as f x square minus y square, f y fy x square minus z square, fz x square minus xyz, z x square minus z square, and here x square minus y square. And the number third is f x y z, and fourth one f z cube, f y z square and f x z square. These are the name of orbitals, clear. And it has a specific rule to enter the electron into the orbitals. The rule is, initially the electron enters in upward direction, means 1 2 3. After finishing the possibilities of upward direction, then it starts entering downward, 4 5 and 6. Similarly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, clear. Similarly, when we talk about f orbitals, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, clear. This is the filling of electrons in orbitals. Now, what is called Aufbau principle. According to the Aufbau principle, and with the help of Aufbau principle, we can configure the electron in orbitals, clear. Listen, according to the Aufbau principle, electron enters from lower energy shell to higher energy shell. Means when we talk about the subshell, I already discussed about the subshell S, P, D and F, clear. When we talk about the energy level of SPDF, clear, then the S has lowest energy as compared to PDF. Why S has a lowest energy as compared to PDF? Because the S orbital is very close to the nucleus. That's why S orbitals has lowest energy, and F orbital is present far away from the nucleus. That's why F orbitals has more energy and has a tendency to accommodate more electron as compared to PD and S orbitals, clear. Now come to the Aufbau principle. The first concept of Aufbau principle is number of shell is equals to number of subshell, Clear? What do you mean by this statement? Means first shell contains only s orbital, because the number of shell is 1, that's why only one subshell is present. When we talk about the second subshell, second subshell means number of shell is 2, that means two orbitals, means s and p both are present. In the same manner, SPD and SPDF. Clear? According to the Aufbau principle, electron enters from lower energy to higher energy. Clear? This is the first electronic configuration, means 1s electron enters initially in 1s. After completing the 1s, it goes towards 2s. After completing 2s, 2p, then 3s. Clear? Then 3p and 4s, then 3d, 4p and 5s. Similarly 4d, 5p and 6s. Clear? Means this diagram shows the energy level, means this is energy level, means the energy electron enters initially 1s, means 1s has the lowest energy. Clear? After that 2s. Clear? Next 2p, next 3s, and next 4s, next 3d and 4p and 5s. Means this is the energy level diagram of electronic configuration, and we know that s orbital contains 2 electrons. Clear? S subshell contains 2 orbital, p subshell contains 6 orbital, including px, py and pz, and d10 and f14. Now for example, let's the electronic configuration of 17 chlorine atomic number is 17. Clear? Now the configuration is according to the Aufbau principle: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After completing 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Clear? Now this is the electronic configuration of Cl17. When we talk about the electronic configuration of 30 zinc, means configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. After 3p, 4s2, and how many number of electron? 2, 4, 6, 8, 14, and means 4, 10, 12, 18, 20. That means 10 more electron is required. That shows 3d10. Clear? This is the electronic configuration of 30. When we talk about the d orbitals have certain conditions. D orbitals. When we talk about the d orbitals, when we talk about the d5 and d10, when electronic configuration is approached to either d5 or d10, this configuration is called extra stable condition. Clear? This is the more stable configuration. Clear? That means when one less electron either from d5 or from d10, which does not exist. How? Means d4 and d9, it is not possible, and it turns in d4 when d4 and d9 configuration have come. So the d4 which turns into d5 while d9 turns into d10 by taking the one electron from its neighbor orbitals. How? When we talk about the atomic number 24 is the configuration of chromium atom. Clear? Let's do the configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d4. Clear? D4 and D9 configuration, they are unstable condition, means unstable. In order to turn the stable, then the one electron is taking from its neighbor. Clear? Means one electron is transferred from s orbital to d orbital, and d4 turns into d5, means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d5. Clear? This is the right configuration, means stable configuration. Clear? Similarly, when we talk about the copper 29. Clear? Copper 29. Let's do the configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d9. D9, it is also unstable configuration. Now turn to the stable configuration, means it takes one electron from the s orbital and d9 turns into d10. So the right configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1 and 3d10. Now this is the right configuration and stable configuration. Stable configuration. Clear? This is the way of electronic configuration by which we can do. Clear? And keep revising and keep practice, because it requires more practice. Clear? Because you have to learn, you have to practice the energy diagram, energy level of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, means it requires practice only. Clear?